Hello everybody, this is Foiz Ahmed from Online Accounting Support Services. Today I'm going to show you reclassifying transactions. There is three ways of reclassifying a transactions in QuickBooks. You can do it one by one, or you can do it in batch action. So now let's have a look. First we see how to do it one by one. From expenses tab, if you figure out that one transaction is erroneously uh, inserted into a wrong account, and now you want to change the account name, so you can do it from here. uh, Suppose and these transactions of say, 3rd of June, you find that the account is categorized as job supply, but it should be it should be categorized as uh, office supplies and software. So you can just change it from here, and it will be transferred from job supplies to office supplies and software. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, then another method is if you open profit and loss account, because it is profit and loss accounts item. So open profit and loss account. I'll change the date to as of today. Yes, these are the your expenses. So you have just reclassified one transactions of job supplies into office and office supplies and software. So if you want to recategorize this, that means reclassify this amount into job supplies from office supplies and software, you can click on a here. Transaction is opened. Now click here. The form will open, and from the form you can just change the class job supplies. So in this way, we can change the transaction from one category to other category expenses. These are the two methods of reclassifying one transactions from another category. One is you can do it from expenses tab. You can just change the amount, change the class of accounts. Okay, you can change the category of accounts from here, and it will be updated, and you can do it from profit and loss account. The other way of reclassifying transaction is go to accounting toolbox, reclassifying transactions. Earlier two methods can be done by QuickBooks Online subscriber, but these accounting tools will be only available who are QuickBooks Pro Advisor accountant. And while these tools is available as QuickBooks Pro Advisor accountant, the reclassifying transactions will be very much easy. So I'm going to change the date. All the transactions will appear here. QuickBooks Online has updated the interface. All the chart of account, all the categories will be shown on the left side, and the reclassifying tools will be shown in right side. You can choose the from and to date from here, and choose choose and check any bill transactions type from here, and also any customer or vendor types, vendor name from here, uh, and check all or only accounts to modify it. Okay, now we can see that the category wise expenses are in the left side, and if you find that any category expenses should be transferred from that category to another category, we can click on that, and we found that this category has three transactions. Job supplies has transactions on 3 days, and if you find that this category is not appropriate for the types of transactions, or you do not want to you do not want to keep these expenses type as job supplies, and you want to reclassify this, so you can simply click on this button on date, so all the transactions whatever that the number is will be checked, and you can simply click on reclassify. Now the chart of account box will be opened, and you need to select the category types. Chart of account leaves, so I'm going to check office supplies. Office supplies and software. So if we want to reclassify this as office supplies and software, we can click here and apply this. So all the job supplies will be transferred to office supplies and software. Transaction has been done. Now look, the job supplies has gone, and all the transactions is transferred to office supplies and software. So thank you so much for watching this video.